Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Banks framing nailer. First, safety is paramount. Always wear appropriate personal protective equipment, including safety glasses and hearing protection, to protect yourself from debris and noise. Before connecting the air hose or making any adjustments, ensure your air compressor is completely off and disconnected. Familiarize yourself with the tool's manual for all safety guidelines and never point the nailer at anyone. Next, let's load your nailer. The Banks framing nailer uses 21-degree full round head plastic collated nails, ranging from 2 inches to 3.5 inches long. Slide up to 70 nails into the rear loading magazine, ensuring they face the correct direction. After loading, connect your 1/4 inch air hose. Set your air compressor's working pressure between 70 and 120 pounds per square inch for optimal performance. Remember to add a few drops of pneumatic tool oil to the air inlet before each use. Operating your nailer is straightforward. You can switch between sequential firing for precise placement or contact actuation for rapid work. Always press the nailer's nose firmly against your workpiece before pulling the trigger to ensure proper nail seating. Use the adjustable depth of drive knob to control how deep the nails penetrate the material, preventing overdriving or underdriving. The built-in dry fire lockout feature protects the tool by preventing it from firing when only a few nails are left. Proper maintenance ensures your Banks framing nailer lasts for many projects. Continue to add a few drops of pneumatic tool oil to the air inlet before each use and after every hour of continuous operation. Regularly clean the nail magazine to prevent debris buildup, which can cause jams. Store your nailer in a clean, dry environment, away from extreme heat or cold. Periodically inspect the tool for any loose fasteners or air leaks to maintain its efficiency and extend its lifespan.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.